In front of me is LENOVO Tab P12, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on microphone icon at the top right corner. If it's not visible, use this gear one. Hit voice typing in keyboard settings and use this switcher to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on Now Visible Microphone. If you never used it before, select while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, tap on the same microphone again, or you can simply stop talking. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!